Now, what I have done is I have refactored this code, and you can see now that my paths are not hard coded. They're coming from a configuration file. Similarly, my hyperparameters are also not hard coded. They're also coming from a configuration file. Now, if I run my run.py file, you can now see that the components have started executing, and if we wait enough, we will see that all the three components have run. Now, one final thing that we might want to do is see what can happen is that to run your run.py file, which is basically your driver program, you might have some dependencies as well. So we can probably store those dependencies in a conda.yaml file. And what we can also do is we can create an ML project that only executes this run.py file. So I can probably also do that, ML project. And where I need to run my whole pipeline, once I filled up the ML project in the conda.yaml file with the relevant dependencies and with the relevant entry points and parameters, all I would need to do is just go to the console and simply say ML flow run dot, and it will start executing this run.py file, which in turn will start executing all the other components. So we'll probably make that one small change in the next video. And then as far as our training pipeline is concerned, we will be done. The only thing that will be left would be how do you log these metrics somewhere? Because whenever you will do an ML experiment, you will have to remember what was the model that you trained, what were its hyperparameters, what was its performance, etc., etc. So that we will probably still see in coming a few videos. But the last thing as far as the training pipeline is concerned that we may want to do is fill up this conda.yaml file and create an ML project so that we can run everything using ML flow itself.